Pronunciation of final ED. Hello everybody, welcome to English with Alina. In this lesson, we're going to be learning and practicing the pronunciation of final ED. The pronunciation of final ED depends on the sound it follows. It depends on whether the sound is voiced, voiceless, or d. Do not confuse sounds with letters. Remember, letters are always what you see. Sounds are what you hear. What are voiced and voiceless sounds? Voiced sounds have vibration. G. G. Th. Z. Z. B. B. D. D. Y. Y. W. W. Voiceless sounds have no vibration. K. K. Sh. Sh. F. F. S. S. P. P. T. T. K. K. So, ed at the end of a verb can be pronounced in three different ways. If it follows a voiceless sound, it is pronounced as t. Looked, looked. Brushed, brushed. Typed, typed. Locked, locked. Smoked, smoked. Walked, walked. Worked, worked. If it follows a voiced sound, it is pronounced as d, d. Allowed, allowed. Happened, happened. Cried, cried. Filled, filled. Enjoyed, enjoyed. Burned, burned. Traveled, traveled. Killed, killed. Agreed, agreed. If it follows t or d sound, it is pronounced as id, id. Demanded, flooded, flooded. Graduated, graduated. Included, included. Visited, visited. Printed, printed. Now you try. Here are some more words that end with ed. Can you divide them in three groups? Group 1 with final d sound. Group 2 with final t sound. Group 3 with final id sound. Looked, looked. Looked equals look plus ed. Look ends with k. K is voiceless. Ed says t. T. Looked, looked. Brushed, brushed. Brushed equals brush plus ed. Brush ends with sh. Sh is voiceless. Ed says t. T. Brushed, brushed. Allowed, allowed. Allowed equals allow plus ed. Allow ends with w. W. W is voiced. Ed says d. Allowed, allowed. Happened, happened. Happened equals happen plus ed. Happen ends with n. N is voiced. Ed says d. Happened, happened. Cried, cried. Cried equals cry plus ed. Cry ends with y. Y. Y is voiced. Ed says d. D. Cried, cried. Demanded, demanded. Demanded equals demand plus ed. Demand ends with d. Ed says id. Id. Demanded, demanded. Finish the table. I started it for you. Now you go ahead. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the lesson and learned a lot of useful things. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. See you next time.